लिखें। रेडी? मोबाइल दिखा दो। 80 80 की स्पीड है। लिखें। एनी मैन who wishes to divorce his wife, shall, as soon as may be after the pronouncement of talaq in any form whatsoever, give the chairman notice to writing of his having done so, and shall supply a copy thereof to the wife, whoever, contravenes the provisions of subsection 1 shall be punishable with simple imprisonment for a term which may extend to 1 year, or with fine which may extend to 5,000 rupees, or with both, save as provided in subsection 5, a talaq unless revoked earlier, expressly or otherwise, shall not be offensive until the expiration of 90 days from the day on which notice under subsection 1 is delivered to the chairman, within 30 days of the receipt of notice under subsection 1, the chairman shall continue an arbitration council for the purpose of bringing about reconciliation between the parties, and the arbitration council shall take all steps necessary to bring about such reconciliation, if any husband fails to maintain his wife adequately, or where there are more wives than one, fails to maintain them equitably, the wife, or all any of the wives, may, in addition to seeking any other legal remedy available, apply to the chairman, who shall constitute an arbitration council to determine the matter, and the arbitration council may issue a certificate specifying the amount which shall be paid as maintenance by the husband, if a father fails to maintain his child, the mother or grandmother of the child may, in addition to seeking any other legal remedy, apply to the chairman, who shall constitute an arbitration council, and the arbitration council may issue a certificate specifying the amount which shall be paid by the father as maintainable of the child, a husband or wife may, in the prescribed manner, within the prescribed period, and on payment of the prescribed fee, prefer an application for revision of the certificate to the controller concerned, and his decision shall be final and shall not be called in question in any court, an amount payable under subsection 1 or 2, if not paid in due time, shall be recoverable an arrears of land revenue, provided that the commissioner of a division may, on an application made in this behalf and for reasons to be recorded, transfer an application for revision of the certificate from a collector to any other collector, or to a director, local government, or to an additional commissioner in his division, full stop, where no details about the mode of payment of dower are specified in the nikahnama, or the marriage contract, the entire amount of the dower shall be presumed to be payable on demand, full stop. The federal government, in respect of the cantonment areas, and the provincial government, in respect of other areas, may make rules to carry into effect the purposes of this ordinance, full stop. In making rules under this section, the government may provide that a breach of any of the rules shall be punishable with simple imprisonment, which may extend to 1 month, or with fine, which may extend to 200 rupees, or with both, full stop. Rules made under this section shall be published in the official gazette, and shall thereupon have effect as if enacted in this ordinance, full stop.